Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a lit angel with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So now this video is part of a collaboration and it is countdown till Christmas, and I am naming this Heaven's Angel DIY, so I'm excited. Let's jump right into it. Now the host of this collab for Vlogmas is Penny from @Penny's Place. So I'm gonna go ahead and link her channel below in the description box. So we just ask that you full watch the videos. This is really good support system for our channels. Click the like button, a comment below. We would love to talk to you. So let's just have some fun as we create this angel. Please excuse my voice. Let's go right into it. So now this vase, I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and it narrows on the top. It almost reminds me of a carafe. So I thought it would be perfect as the body of the angel. Now what I did is I purchased tulle right there in the Dollar Tree, and then I took the tulle, folded it over about 4 times for the top layer, and folded it over about 4 times for the bottom layer. Pretty much the whole roll. And so I hot glued the top first, and then I hot glued the bottom. Now what I did do with the bottom part of the tulle before hot gluing it down is I put 2 pleats in it, and so this made the bottom tulle look more like a dress, if you get what I mean. If not, I'll show you. So now once we have the dress already glued down, I took the pink bling wrap, and that is going to be the part that goes around her waist. That's what I'm gluing down right here. Remember that you can make the belt around the waist or anything, the dress in a different color, the whatever you're using around the waist a different color. This is like so versatile. It is great. So now while gluing down the top half, I made sure to leave plenty because we are folding it in and hot gluing it down. That's what you see me doing right here. Put a little bit of hot glue on the actual glass and then fold over the tool, hold that down to the glue sets. So as soon as I was done with the top half, I found this sticker embellishment that looked like a brooch, and I placed that in the center of her bling wrap buckle. It looks so beautiful. And so now I grab one of the pink clip butterflies they have in like the floral area, and that we're gonna take it apart, and those are gonna be her wings. Isn't that beautiful? So remember that how you position the wings is totally up to you. Some people like them higher up, wider open, closed back. So it's totally up to you how you position these wings. So now what I did is I cut a round piece of wood, which is going to sit at the very top of that vase. And the Dollar Tree is now carrying ornaments that are white, and they come 2 in the pack. So I grabbed one of the ornaments, and they were just the perfect size for what we are going to call the head. So I am placing some lights in here, and no, they're not white. I wish they were. So the only thing left at Dollar Tree is the blue and the green. So, but for this video, we're using the blue, and I think it came out beautiful. We're gonna glue the battery pack to the back, right in between the wings. So that's where that's gonna sit. And it is gonna be with the side where you have access to the battery pack in case you need to change the batteries. Then we'll stand the vase up and place the piece of round wood on top of that vase. I'm putting some hot glue around the bottom of the ornament, and then we're going to glue that to the wooden piece, which is the round piece that we're gluing to the top of that vase. And that's how it looks like the head. Doesn't that look nice? What a great idea. So as you can see here, I'm placing some hot glue around the wood round, and then we're just going to place that right on top of that vase. So it's easy access in and out, because if you need to get in there, all you have to do is pop that off. I think that this angel is coming along beautifully. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, so I found this taupe yarn in my yarn stash. And so we're gonna use this to make her hair. So take a look. So what's funny is that this is my first time doing this. I've never done hair on anything before. So I'm sorry. I'm just having fun with this. So I actually had like the most fun doing the hair. So I put a part in it and I was so excited about this. Okay, so now we placed a tie in the back there. And what's nice about this is that the longer the hair, the more you can cover that battery pack. But I don't really think it's too noticeable because of the wings, so we're okay there. She came out so beautiful, didn't she? So now we gotta move on to making her halo. So what I did here is grab like 4 of the chenille stems in the silver and twisted it around, made one in a circle, and then grabbed another 4 and folded that over the circle to make the part that holds the halo up. And then we're going to glue that in the back of her head. So just keep an eye because I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So now it's time to glue that halo down. So I'm placing it in between the hair down to the back of her neck where the wood part is. And I'm gonna hold that still until that sets, and look how beautiful she came out. I am just so happy with this project. Cannot wait to do it in different colors. I think she is gorgeous. Look at her, oh my goodness, I love it. So like I said earlier on in the video, we named her Heaven's Angel. I absolutely love that. Let's get ready for the reveal. I think this angel came out absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if the camera's doing it any justice. She looks beautiful. I hope you agree. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I put the gold beads around her neck so it looks like she's wearing a necklace. That is so awesome. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and happy holidays, guys.